Are your iPhone 17 photos looking too bright or oversaturated? Here's how to get natural colors instead of oversaturated colors on iPhone 17 Pro. First, we open the camera app and then tap the 3 layers icon at the top. And then we choose the photographic styles. For the photographic styles, we can choose standard or lower the tone or warmth of the photo. Or you can choose from the different undertones like amber, gold, rose gold, bright, neutral, and color rose. If you have a Pro model, we can go to the camera settings by choosing settings and then scroll up to the camera. And then we can turn on the ProRAW in formats. You turn on the ProRAW and Resolution Control. And finally, if a photo still looks too vivid, open it in Photos, Edit, and just reduce the vibrance or saturation a bit. Then your photos will look real and professional and balanced. Follow for more quick iPhone tips.